This is a wonderful recipe from my cookbook, Earth to Table. It's fantastic this time of the year. It takes like 5 minutes to put together, 30 minutes to bake, and it's purely delicious. It's wonderful. And you know what? You can have it with nourishing soups and winter warming soups. You can just have it on its own, smothered with butter and lots of honey. But whichever way you want it, here it is. So into a bowl, what I'm going to do, 240 grams of wholemeal spelt flour. Now you want about a teaspoon of bicarb soda, and you want a generous squeeze of lemon juice. You also want 1 cup of almond milk or any form of dairy-free milk you want. A nice generous pinch of sea salt. Now we've got 80 ml of extra virgin olive oil. So I'm just going to pour a nice generous 1/4 cup of this one, which will equate to 80 ml. Okay, so that's around about 80 ml of extra virgin olive oil. And a nice generous tablespoon or 2 of raw honey. Perfect. And all you need to do is mix it all up. Now, this batter here is a very loose batter. So unlike a lot of other breads or soda breads, you'll actually notice that it's more like a cake batter, not a dough consistency. And this is how it's supposed to be. Now, into a little cast iron pan, which I have prepared just with a bit of baking paper. We're going to pour this in. You can use a baking tin as well if you want. Okay, so the yummiest bit now, rolled oats. So generously sprinkling that with some rolled organic oats. Okay, so into a hot oven, 180 degrees centigrade for around about 30 minutes. And we wait. Look at this, it's magnificent, it's fantastic, it's risen, there's a lovely little crust on the top and it looks spectacular. And the perfect way to serve it is either on its own or with a nourishing bowl of soup. Now I just want to try a little bit on my own now and take it out from the pan. Look at that, beautiful, wholesome, warm and delicious. I just want to show you how beautiful this looks. Check this out. It's lovely, it's steaming hot, and it's perfect to have with a generous amount of butter. Enjoy, guys. Happy baking.